Here we have the Advanced1 tab page. This page is split into three main sections. The first section here is to do with matching up the RC transmitter to the gyro. Second section here is related to the detailed specification of the output signal. And the third section, trim adjustments. Very fine and accurate trim adjustments can be made here. So let's first look at the matching up of the RC transmitter. I have a very low cost RC transmitter, and so in order to match this up and make sure that the ranges and the central point of the stick center positions are matched up with the gyro requirements, we can use this section here. So what we do is you switch the RC transmitter on and simply press the start button here, and if we toggle now the sticks, we see here for the power, provided we have power enabled in the professional tab. We have the pitch stick here. We move that to the minimum and maximum positions. The roll, we can move that to min and max, and then the yaw also to min and max. So when this has been done, we put them all in the central positions except the power, which can obviously go into the minimum position, and we press the match button. Now what this does is it takes the minimum PWM input here and the maximum for each pitch, roll, yaw and power stick. So this is the first step. The second step then is to make sure that the central stick position really is in the center. So for this we then press the start button on the RC transmitter fine trim center point section. Now you will notice this circle here in the middle. Now with the RC transmitter trim controls, we move this circle first into the center here, and then we can also move it with the yaw trim to rotate either left or right, so that needs to be in the center position as well. And also the power. The power we can move a little bit down here. So once everything is nice and centered, we press the stop button. And so you see here now we have some very small offsets. These are in microseconds actually. And all this data now will be sent to the gyro, so that any input from this RC transmitter will be translated into the gyro required minimum, maximums and central positions. This is done, of course, by going to the basics page here and hitting the send button. And as I've said before, this send button will send all the data from all the pages, so you need to make sure that there's nothing untoward on any other of the other pages that you wouldn't want to be sent to the gyro. So once done, that's it. That's all there is to be done for the RC transmitter matching section. Note that if you have just powered up the setup software and connected it to a gyro that's been pre-programmed previously, then you will of course have all the default settings. But then you can, if you wish, acquire the data for this section alone from the gyro, so that you don't have to go through this procedure again. You just simply press the acquire button, and you see that all this will be populated with the data that's been pre-stored inside the gyro.